What's up guys, my name is Parminder and this is Gear Mantra, and today we have on the table none other than Meades Dino from South Africa. So this particular knife is a classic. Let me bring it close. So this particular model comes with the OD green micarta with a nice federal shield, titanium clip, and this is orange peel titanium clip, and the shield is also orange peeled, as you guys can see. So total classic configuration on this particular knife, but it has a modern touch, and that modern touch is it's a front flipper. Oh my god, can you guys hear the sound of that opening? It's literally a glass feeling. So on this particular model, as you guys can see, like the liner is also like the, look at the beautifully orange peel titanium bar on this one as well. Beautiful. And as per Thias, this is one of his best classic, configuration with the same OD green micarta backspacer. I love it. I love this knife. Everything about this knife is so good. And here it is. You guys can see maker's logo. And let me show you guys how it closes. It literally, what do you call it, shut drop action. Look over here. Beautiful. I don't think so I ever saw any front flipper in this kind of smooth glass feel. It's too good, too good. And look at the lockup. Nice lockup over here. Wow. And this is the Dino model from Meades, South Africa. If you are planning to buy knives from him and you have any doubts, I think you should not doubt his work. His work is just next level, just next level. You will not be disappointed. That is 100% for sure. I promise you that. Wow. Front flipper, smooth. Look at that. No, sometimes you feel like, okay, the action is stiff, but on this one, look. Wow. Pretty awesome knife. Again, thank you so much guys for watching Gear Mantra. Please subscribe to our channel, and my name is Parminder, and this is Meades Dino model, and you guys can check that out. I will post his Instagram link in the description as well, so that if you guys want to connect with Thias, you guys can always do that. And thank you again for watching Gear Mantra. Have a good day.